Hey everyone, I hope you're doing great. I've got something super exciting to share today. This product is a total game changer. First up, let's talk about the design. It's sleek, modern, and just screams quality. But here's the best part. The price. You'd expect something like this to cost a fortune. But nope, it's totally budget-friendly. High quality without breaking the bank? Yes, please. And it's so versatile, perfect for your workspace, home, or even as a gift. It fits seamlessly wherever you need it. Curious? Check the description for all the details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on more amazing finds. See you soon.